Hey, what's up, man? How are you?
What's going on, dude?
Hey, that's not eating healthy, man. That's pretty good. That's pretty cool. Eating healthy. I've been working out for a long time, and you know, I messed up my daily routine. Any way you can share that chicken with me?
What's up?
Thank you. You're a nice kid, man.
No doubt, dude.
You know, being nice pays off. My stomach. I don't think you should eat that. Oh. 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 Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
Why?
You're gonna have the farts. Look.
Okay. Bro, what are you doing, bro?
I'm just farting, man.
What's wrong with you?
Why are you farting your food?
Dude, I might punch you in the face if you fart on my food.
I just did.
What are you doing, dude?
You pranked. It's the pooter. You on camera, sir.
Oh my god.
You on camera right there. Oh, hey, you were waiting for your date?
Hello.
Hello. You're waiting for your boyfriend?
No, I was just actually having lunch and
By yourself?
yeah, I came up here to do a bit of shopping. Oh, that's pretty disgusting.
Why is that disgusting? You're not eating though right now, are you? Did I interrupt your appetite? Poop in your face. Hello. Where's your date? Am I your date?
Stretching.
Huh?
Stretching.
I was pooping, sharding.
Nice.
Can I poop on your coffee?
No.
Please?
No.
Please?
No.
Please.
No cooking in my coffee.
You look familiar. What's your name?
Danielle. What's your name?
Vitaly.
I've never heard your name.
I never heard your name neither. Well, anyway, so tonight, what time?
Well, it goes from 2 to 2, so you guys can even come today.
Oh, okay.
We'll be there from 2 to 2. Yeah.
From 2 to 2?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's all night. Why on
day.
Sunday? What makes them...
It's just like the event. That's just the day it falls on. It's like a big house.
Yeah.
What is that?
Huh?
What was that?
Oh, sorry. Just ate at the office. Not a good place to eat. Not a good place to eat.
Wanna try this?
Could you put it down a little?
What do you mean?
Just hold it down. Let me look. I like an aerial view. Just put it like right here.
Why'd you do that? That's disgusting.
That's not good.
He
farted?
To the store, farts in that girl's face.
No, wait, hold on. I didn't fart in her face.
Yo, dude, come on, man. What the fuck are your manners? Shit, man.
You just farted.
3.
You know where Starbucks is? Huh? Starbucks?
Huh? That way.
Hi, I'm doing this collect. You don't mind if I talk to you first?
What's going on?
Huh?
What's going on?
Oh, I'm doing this collection for the school, and we were just wondering advices. What do you guys think about Palm Beach County?
Oh, you're just collecting advice?
Yeah, like overall advices.
Palm Beach County is nice. Crime rates went down, and people are nice.
Where'd you live in
You
Miami?
just fart?
Huh?
You just fart?
Yeah.
Get out of here, man. We eating food, bro.
I'm sorry, dude.
Come on, man. We eating, dog. Yo, hey, man, chill out.
I just farted, man.
Yo, get out of here, man. Yo, get the fuck out of here, man. What the fuck wrong with you? Get out of here. Move, go, get out of here. You don't do that shit, man.
Come on.
Get out of here.
Recording you.
I don't
You're
care.
being pranked.